Rule for 5, unit place is 0 or 5. It means last digit of the number should be 0 or 5. For example, 30 and 345. The last digit of 30 is 0 and the last digit of the other number 345 is 5. So both numbers are divisible by 5. Rule for 6. 6 is a product of 2 and 3. Here we apply rule of 2 and rule of 3 both. Rule of 2 is number should be even, and rule of 3, the sum of digits should be divisible by 3. For example, 2472 is an even number and the sum of its digits 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 15, and 15 is exactly divisible by 3. So the rule for 6, the number should be divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Rule for 8, digits at the units, tens and hundreds places are zeros. It means the last 3 digits of the number should be 0. For example, 8000, and second is number formed by units, tens and hundred places should be divisible by 8. It means last 3 digits of the number should be divisible by 8. For example, 7424, the last 3 digits of the number is 424 and 424 is divisible by 8. Rule for 10, digit at the unit place is 0. It means the last digit of the number is 0. For example, 450, 480, 10, 20.